Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a garbage disposal that's quiet, efficient, and built to last? In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best models you can buy this year. Let's start with a top-tier model that has become the industry standard for quiet performance. The InSinkErator Evolution Advanced series with 1 horsepower. This disposal is often praised for being one of the quietest units on the market, thanks to its advanced sound seal technology and the quiet collar sink baffle, which significantly reduces grinding noise. The Evolution Advanced also features a powerful DuraDrive induction motor and multi-grind technology, allowing it to handle tougher food waste like fibrous vegetables and small bones with ease. This unit is ideal for families who regularly cook at home and want a robust, long-lasting solution. Stainless steel components ensure durability, and it comes backed by a 10-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Next is the InSinkErator Evolution Pro 750, a slightly smaller but equally efficient model with a 3/4 horsepower motor. It maintains many of the quiet operation features of the Advanced series, but in a more compact design that fits well under most sinks. Despite its size, it delivers exceptional grinding power and is especially suited for medium-sized households. The Pro 750 also includes sound seal technology, anti-vibration components, and a 9-year limited warranty. If you're looking for a balance between noise reduction and footprint, the Evolution Pro 750 is a smart investment. For those with septic systems, the InSinkErator Evolution Septic Assist is a standout choice. It also features a 3/4 horsepower motor and shares the quiet, high-performance features of other Evolution models. However, what sets it apart is the built-in biocharge cartridge that automatically injects natural microorganisms into the grind chamber with every use. This aids in breaking down food waste in septic environments, making it safer for long-term use without compromising performance. Like its siblings, this unit uses multi-grind technology and has stainless steel grinding components. It's quiet, reliable, and specially designed for homes using septic tanks. Our 4th pick comes from a different brand known for durability and ease of installation, the Moen Host Series G XS75C. This 3/4 horsepower continuous feed disposal features high-speed vortex motor technology that spins at 2,700 RPM for faster, cleaner grinding. What makes the GXS75C popular is its integrated sound insulation system, which makes it surprisingly quiet for its price point. Installation is simple thanks to the Universal Express mount system that works with most existing hardware, and it comes with a generous 10-year limited warranty with in-home service. Moen also incorporates corrosion-resistant components, making this a reliable choice for long-term kitchen use. Finally, we have a great option for budget-conscious buyers, the Waste King L111. With a 1/3 horsepower motor, it's not the most powerful unit in this lineup, but it's compact, lightweight, and affordable. Its high-speed 1900 RPM motor helps reduce jamming, and it comes with an attached power cord, making installation quick and DIY-friendly. While it doesn't offer the same noise insulation as the more premium models, it performs well in smaller households or apartments where space and price are key concerns. The Waste King L111 is also backed by a 2-year warranty, which is more than fair for its category. When it comes to choosing the right garbage disposal, the key factors are noise level, motor power, ease of installation, and compatibility with your household setup. The InSinkErator Evolution series dominates the high-end space with unmatched quietness and grinding efficiency. The Moen GXS75C provides excellent value and an easy install for mid-range buyers. Meanwhile, the Waste King L111 delivers essential performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on top home tools and appliances.